Hello students, I am Pooja Pandey. I am going to teach you Science and Technology from class 6. Chapter number 1, Our Earth. Today I am going to learn what is the shape of the earth, what is the structure of the earth, and whether is the earth is hollow or solid. Now children, let's start. Shape of the earth. The earth is round in shape. Look at the picture. It shows that the earth is round in shape. But the question is that when we see the earth, it doesn't appear round, it appears flat. Do you know the reason? It is because the earth is very big in size and we can't see the whole earth at a time. We see the only small part of the earth. We see the only small part of the earth. What way appears? It appears flat. Then the obvious question is that how do we know that the earth is round? The astronauts who traveled to the space or moon had taken the picture from a very long distance. This picture is actually taken from the space. Now students, look at this globe. This globe is the actual model of the earth. Now students, let's study structure of the earth. Structure of the earth. Students, you know that the earth is round in shape. It is not hollow, but it is solid. Students, do you know the meaning of solid and hollow? Solid and hollow. Okay. Hollow means something which has hole and empty space in it. But solid means something which doesn't have hole and empty space in it. Now students, I will show you some objects to make it clear. Look at this pipe. Look carefully. This pipe has hole. Students, can you see this hole? This pipe has hole and empty space in it. And look at this bottle. This bottle has also a hole and empty space in it. Okay, now we can say that this pipe and this bottle are hollow object. Now students, look at this duster. This duster doesn't have hole and empty space in it. So we can say that this is solid material. Okay. Now study about structure of the earth. Structure means something that elements or parts of which structure means something, elements or parts of made of, for example, human body. Human body is made up of bones, muscles and different organs, etc. Now, so the question is that whether our earth is hollow or solid. So students, our earth is solid object. Look at this picture. This is the cross section of our earth. Our earth is also made up of solid and molten rocks. Our earth is also made up of solid and molten rocks. If we cut the earth into two halves, we see the 4 layers of earth. Our outermost layer is crust, second is mantle, and third is outer core, and last one is inner core. Now students, look at this diagram. I will explain you 4 layers of rocks. The outermost layer is crust. Its thickness is 30 to 70 kilometers. Second is mantle. Mantle is it's about 2900 kilometers. Third one is outer core. Outer core. It's about 2200 kilometers. And last one is inner core. Its thickness is 1230 to 1530 kilometers. Crust. Crust is like a cell of hard-boiled egg. It is made up of rocks which has variety of minerals. Its thickness is 30 to 70 kilometers. Next one is mantle. Mantle is about 2900 kilometers. It is made up of iron, magnesium and silicon. And third one is outer core. Outer core is also made up of iron and nickel. In a liquid form, because outer core is superheated area, the liquid material is called magma. The liquid material is called magma. When the surface of the earth, it comes out from the surface of the earth because of volcanic eruption, it is called lava. Its thickness is about 2900 kilometers. Last one is outer core is about, it is dense, hot and semi-liquid. Last one is inner core. Inner core is also made up of iron and nickel, and it is like a solid ball. So now students, I am giving you a project work. You have to complete at home, and you can download from the picture of structure of the earth, and you can make a well-labeled diagram of the structure of the earth. Thank you students.